Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can remove the minimum purchase limit off of Temu, so let's get right into it. Now, this is a method that I have seen work for many people and that I've seen not work for many people as well, so it is pretty dependent on, I'm pretty sure where you are and whether you'll be able to do it. Some regions and some currencies, such as the British pound, I do know have this minimum limit. And why this limit exists even in the first place is because Temu is trying to, well, make everything more consumer and environmentally friendly so they can cut down on other costs and cut down on costs for shipping and enable easier shipping. And if you do have a minimum order, you will have some, well, either discounts on shipping or free shipping, depending on your region. So yeah, it exists for a reason. However, most people don't want to go through with it and they just want to pay the minimum price that they can. And in certain situations, you might find a couple of different items that you like that are under the threshold when put together, and then you really can't do anything. Now, this method is you just want to go to your U page and then go into support and then click on contact us. Now, this uh, solution includes just writing or typing that you want to remove minimum order limit, and it's gonna give you some placeholder response for why that exists. It's just gonna automatically respond to you, and as you can see, it'll say exactly what I just said. So just type remove it again. And after a couple of times, it should give you an option to remove this. As you can see, it's gonna go ahead and tell you why it's important to reduce their carbon footprint and things like that. But if we type it again, it might give us an option to actually manually remove this order limit. Now, as I mentioned, it might take up a couple of tries. It might work for you, it might not. As you can see, I'm still not getting the option. So after a few tries, you might actually get the option with a link to actually remove it. So far, I'm not getting it. So as you can see, it's just repeating itself pretty much infinitely at this point. So let me just try this one more time and it should probably work. And if it doesn't work for you, I really don't know. I have heard of this method working for other people and now it's just starting to repeat itself. So yeah, unless you get an option to remove it from here, then that's pretty much it. You can't do it in your region. As far as I'm aware, it is tied to your region, and as you can see, I can't really do it myself. However, if you're in a region that supports this, you might be able to do it, and that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.